Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am creating a handmade card, and it is going to be a rainbow glitter card, and you guys, I am so super stoked about it. You don't even know. But first I'm going to do some die cutting on a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to write out the phrase with these dies, love is all you need. So I'm a big Beatles person, and I love that song of theirs, and it goes perfectly for the month of June. One, because summer. I love summer. Hello, yes. Also, June is my birthday month, so of course I love June. It's also Pride Month, which is part of the inspiration for why I wanted to make some rainbow cards, and I really hope that you guys will join me in the rainbow cards. No matter the reason behind it, I would still love for you guys to join in and participate. So this is going to be kind of like a YouTube-wide, Instagram-wide rainbow card hop, and I really want you guys to make some rainbow cards along with me. I think it'll be so super fun, and all you have to do to participate is create your own rainbow card video or an Instagram picture of a card you've made if you don't have a YouTube, because I know not everybody does YouTube videos, so it's totally fine. If you only do Instagram, you can totally participate too. So you need to create a rainbow card, right, and share it in some way. So if you have a YouTube channel and you do a video, just leave me a comment down below this video with a link to yours, and I will add it to a public playlist so everybody can see all of the fun YouTube rainbow card videos. I think that'd be really fun. If you choose to do the Instagram version, totally got you too. It's totally fine. Still definitely share your cards. Just use the hashtag PFP rainbow cards, and I will write that down below in the description for you guys, so you can use that, and that will be like our little rainbow card handle, or hashtag I guess is what it technically is, over on Instagram, so everyone can go over there and see all of those amazing cards too and be totally inspired. So I hope you guys, I really do, help me turn June rainbow fabulous, okay? Please help me. I think it'd be so much fun, and it's the perfect time to do it anyway, right? So here I'm cutting down some foam tape because this is going to be a glitter shaker card. So I already glued on the acetate. You guys saw that. I used the Tombow Mono Multi in my little tiny squeezy bottle, and I just applied that to the back of the die cut cardstock, and I let it dry. That way it doesn't get all smushy and stuff when I put the acetate down. So I put the acetate down, smashed it all down really nicely so everything's very secure, and like I just said, I'm cutting down the foam tape to go around the different words because I want the different colors of glitter to be behind the different words so that it creates like a rainbow, ombre, glitterific, amazing effect. And I really do love how this all turned out. I think it was so super cute. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding my glitters. So some of these are from Michaels, like these little shreddy ones, I don't know. I decided to go with pink because I thought it was a little bit more summery than like a straight up red. And then I have some chunkier orange glitter, again, I think from Michaels, from like their hobby section or something, I don't know. Some yellow, and then I also have some green Heidi Swapp glitter here in a second, and then some blue. And I waited until I had done all of the glitter before I peeled off the adhesive backing on the other side of that foam tape, just because I didn't want glitter getting stuck to everything, and I was super careful taking the backing off. Like, that's the only downside, is you still have to be pretty careful. Yeah, so here I'm just using my hand, as you can see, to block off that blue glitter so it doesn't get everywhere. But you guys, this is so much fun, right? And the back, like from this side, it doesn't look super fabulous, but I'm telling you, it turns out so super cute. I love it so much. So I went ahead and peeled off all the backings by this point, and I cut down another piece of acetate just so I could see like what I was doing, because with all of this different glitter, I didn't want to try to like blindly eyeball where to put the card base, because I usually do like a front panel like this and then apply it to a card base, which you can see I'm doing right here. And I did forget to mention that if you do participate in the hop, either here on YouTube or over on Instagram, I'm going to pick one person to receive a rainbow themed Happy Mail from me, including this card. So definitely make sure you participate in the card hop. I will leave all the details down below in the description, but that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this card. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!